Hey, I won 2 free tickets to go on a hot air balloon. Would you like to come with me?
Sure, I would love to come with you. I've always wanted to go on a hot air balloon ride. It's so interesting how they fly.
How do they actually fly?
The fire from the torch makes the balloon fly.
Yes, but what is it that actually makes them fly?
I'm not sure. We will have to look into this. I'll have a look on my computer.
A hot air balloon has many different aspects. We have the balloon, which is sometimes called the envelope, the basket in which the passengers and drivers sit, and the burner. The burner makes gas to make hot air, which allows the balloon to lift. Gravity keeps a balloon on the ground. In order to get the balloon to fly, you need a force to move in the opposite direction. This is bigger than the force of gravity and it is called lift. The heavier the balloon, the more gravity that it will hold. We have used orange counters to show that the air inside the balloon. The air is not really orange, we just use this colour so you can see the distinction between the air inside the balloon and the air outside the balloon. We have used green counters to show the air outside the balloon. We have also used red to represent how the orange is moving and yellow to represent how the green is moving. Particles have a mass. When particles are cold, they move slowly and stay close together without touching. When the heat is turned on, heat is added to the inside of the balloon. This makes the particles start to move faster. When the particles are heated, they move further and faster apart. This makes the gas take up more space and makes the air expand. The higher the temperature of the particles, the faster the gas particles move. When you heat the air by burning the gas, some particles escape outside of the balloon. The balloon then becomes lighter. This is because particles hold a mass, and when some of these particles are taken away, so is some of the mass. The particles are being heated to the point where they are their fastest. This has forced the balloon to expand. This will now show how the particles move fast. The particles are now getting faster. And faster as heat is added and as the temperature rises. Wow, this is so interesting how the gas particles are changed from the hot air.
It's hard to believe that something like this makes it fly.